Python Basics if, elif, and else statements. If statements, or conditional statements, are if, elif, and else. These three statements consist of what we can ask the computer to do if a certain condition is true. Simply put, if A is true, then we do this, and then we skip B and else. Otherwise, if A is false and B is true, then we do that. If both A and B are false, then we do whatever else. To demonstrate this, we will be writing a simple program that asks the user for their age, and then prints out whether they can drive and whether they can drink. So first, we ask the user for their age. So we write print what is your age. Now next, we read in their age, which they enter, into a variable. So age will equal to cast to an integer input. Next, we compare it to the driving age, which we will say is 16. So write if age is less than 16, then they cannot drive. So print cannot drive or drink, obviously. So next, we use an elif statement. So if the first one is false, it's not less than 16. So it moves on to elif is a condensation of else and if. Since programmers are lazy, they condense it into one single statement. So we write elif age is less than, let's say the drinking age is 21. Then you should print can drive but cannot drink. And so finally, if both the age is larger than 16 and the age is larger than 21, then both of those conditions are not true, so it will skip to the else, which will say print can drive and drink. Obviously not at the same time though. And so that is your simple explanation of if, elif, and else statements. Thank you for watching.